The functions of or objectives of marriage. Objectives or functions of marriage. Learning objective is to understand the objectives of marriage, to know the functions of marriage, and the student will understand the functions of marriage, and they also understand the marriage as a social institution. And the objectives or functions of marriage. The marriage is one of the important social institution of human society, and it is established by human society for controlling sex life of man. It is closely connected with the institution of marriage, and main function of my institution of closely connected with the institution of family. The main functions of marriage are as follows. Firstly, the regulation of sex life. Regulation of sex life. The marriage is the powerful instrument of regulating the sex life of man. Sexual impulse is powerful in man. It has to be controlled in a proper way. Marriage makes such a work or such a deed in the society. And marriage regulates the sex relations also. It prohibits sex relation between the blood relatives, that is the father and the daughter, mother and the son, brothers and sisters, etc. And secondly, marriage leads to establishment of family. Marriage forms the institution of family, and it leads to the establishment of family. Sexual satisfaction offered by marriage may result in procreation, and it means the marriage supports the couple, suitable or couple to establish a family, and it is in the family children are born and brought up, and it is the marriage which determines the descent of the newborn individual. Inheritance and succession follow the rule of descent. And thirdly, the objectives of marriage. It provides economic cooperation. The marriage provides economic cooperation. Marriage make economic cooperation. It make economic cooperation between husband and wife through division of labor. In some of the ancient tribe, or in some of the ancient tribe, we find clear cut division of labor between husband and wife. And even in modern society or modern society also, we find husband and wife working outside the family to get income for elevating their financial status. And fourthly, the marriage contributes the emotional and intellectual contribution of the partners, and it contributes, the marriage contributes the emotional as well as intellectual contribution of the partners. And marriage brings the partners together. It brings marriage brings partners together and help them to develop intense love and affection towards each other and the family members. And it depends the emotions and strengthen the companionship between the uh, partners. And fifthly, marriage aims at social solidarity. It aims the marriage aims at the social solidarity or social unity. And the marriage not only brings the marriage between or marriage not only brings marriage partners together, but also their respective families or the families of the partners. and as well as their kins or kindreds. It is often suggested that the marriage between the different groups, different religion, different caste, classes, races, and linguistic groups will minimize the distances or minimize the distances and strengthen their unity. Hence, the marriage aims at social solidarity also. Thank you.